Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. Large companies for the production of military equipment and weapons are constantly creating new products or modernizing old developments to meet the present. Today we continue our series of videos on new military developments that will change the way warfare is conducted and give an advantage on the battlefield. We will show you the 10 most interesting military developments. Mk-44S Bushmaster. The Mk-44S Bushmaster chain gun is an auto cannon that is electrically operated, and unlike gas-operated cannons, weapon recoil is not needed to cycle the weapon or clear stoppages. The Mk-44S is used by 19 nations and 34 users, including the US, the UK, Singapore, and South Korea. The Mk-44S has greater firepower than the M242 25mm and significant additional capabilities, such as programmable rounds and the ability to upgrade to the 40mm Super Shot system. Every Mk-44S is fitted with a breech-mounted fuse setter, meaning any weapon platform can fire programmable airburst munitions, such as programmable airburst munition for suppressing dug-in and fortified positions and the proximity-fused rounds for engaging UAS and helicopters. The upgrade to 40mm Super Shot is accomplished with the exchange of 3 mechanical parts and the reprogramming of the fire control system. This upgrade provides increased firepower without the need to integrate a new cannon. M10 Booker. The M10 Booker, formerly known as the Mobile Protective Firepower, is a new tracked combat vehicle of the U.S. Army, which was designed and developed by the American company General Dynamics Land Systems to enhance the combat capabilities of the U.S. Army Infantry Brigade Combat Team. The main armament of the M10 Booker consists of one 105mm cannon based on the American M35 and a 7.62mm machine gun mounted coaxially. The 105mm cannon can fire armor-piercing, discarding sabot and high-explosive rounds with a maximum firing range of 1.1 miles or 1.8 kilometers and 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers respectively. The main gun is loaded manually. One 12.7mm heavy machine gun is mounted on the commander hatch. 2 banks of 4 smoke grenade launchers are mounted on each side at the front of the turret. The M10 Booker can run at a maximum road speed of 40 miles per hour or 65 kilometers per hour and has a maximum road range of 190 miles or 305 kilometers and can operate for 24 hours off the ramp or on arrival at the drop zone. It can move over steep hills, valleys, cities, and rivers. Rheinmetall HX-3. The HX-3 is a new generation of German heavy-duty tactical military trucks. It's a product of Rheinmetall MAN military vehicles. This joint venture is formed by Rheinmetall and MAN. The new HX-3 was unveiled in 2021. The HX-3 trucks feature a new integrated armor cabin with improved ergonomics and completely redesigned interiors. The modernized cabin will provide enhanced protection against threats such as mines, blasts, and improvised explosive devices. The truck's reinforced roof can be accommodated with weapon stations with high-caliber weapons for active self-defense. Additional active and passive protection systems, including Rheinmetall's Rapid Obscuring System, or ROSI, and the very short-range ADS active defense system that can be optionally installed in the truck. The HX 10x10 truck-based howitzer offers enhanced firing capabilities and improved mobility in tactical and strategic missions. The howitzer, with the newly developed artillery truck interface, can serve as a standard base for different artillery systems. The HX-3 has a gross weight ranging between 83,700 pounds and 110,200 pounds, or 38 tons and 50 tons. It can accommodate 3 occupants. Caracol. The Caracol is a 4x4 lightweight airborne vehicle developed by German arms manufacturer Rheinmetall in partnership with Mercedes-Benz and Armored Car Systems. The vehicle was unveiled at the Eurosatory 2022 trade fair held in Paris in June of 2022. The vehicle is based on the latest generation military off-the-shelf G-Class 464 series chassis from Mercedes-Benz to ensure a proven, technically mature platform, providing critical logistic support to armed forces throughout the 20-year service life of the vehicle. The advanced G-Class chassis will also ensure maximum mobility, even under the most challenging conditions. The payload capacity of the vehicle is up to 4,409 pounds or 2,000 kilograms. The vehicle features optionally mounted ballistic protection and mine protection elements. It can be upgraded with standard infantry weapons and anti-tank guided missile weapons on a ring mount. The Caracol air assault vehicle can travel at a maximum speed of 80 miles per hour or 130 kilometers per hour on the road. It can negotiate gradients of 60% and side slopes of 30% with a climbing ability of 1 foot or 0.33 meters. Saab Gripen E. The Saab JAS-39 Gripen E is the most modern development version of the popular Swedish multi-role fighters manufactured by the Saab Aviation Company. The abbreviation JAS was created from words in Swedish meaning jakt, hunting, attack, assault, spaning, reconnaissance. The Gripen is a high-performance, multi-purpose machine capable of doing any of these tasks. The E version was developed for the needs of the Swedish and Brazilian air forces. The plane was slightly lengthened, its wingspan and weight also increased. The designers also talk about revolutionary changes in avionics, an increase in engine power by 22%, and a range extended to 2,530 miles or 4,075 kilometers. The Gripen E has 10 hardpoints, offers the best-in-class weapons and pods from around the world, and has an unrivaled ease of stores integration. Gripen E can conduct air-to-air, air-to-surface, and reconnaissance missions. Air supremacy is achieved with the carriage of up to 7 Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missiles and 2 Within Visual Range Iris-T missiles. Weapons like these, combined with the ability to use offensive and defensive means simultaneously, enables Gripen E to detect, engage, and suppress or destroy targets effectively. Tria 30. The Tria 30 is a special vehicle designed for the recovery of stranded equipment and other objects, their handling, removal of damaged equipment, excavation and rescue work, crane work, engineering terrain modifications, and the removal of obstacles for the needs of recovery and rescue work. It was developed by a Czech company, Excalibur Army. The Tria 30 is based on the chassis of the Tatra Force 8x8 model series. The chassis allows the vehicle to overcome vertical obstacles up to a height of 1.3 feet or 0.4 meters, to cross ditches with a width of 6.6 feet or 2 meters, and to wade through water obstacles without preparation to a depth of 4 feet or 1.2 meters, with preparation up to 5 feet or 1.5 meters. The vehicle is equipped with a winch that has a basic pull of 55,100 pounds or 25 tons, and a two-reel crane with a lifting capacity of 66,100 pounds or 30 tons. The crane can be used alone and for the purpose of extrication, multi-point recovery, or recovery over an obstacle. It uses a hydraulic fork installed in the rear of the vehicle to move cars, armored wheeled vehicles, and other equipment. Atmos. The Atmos modular artillery system is a combat-proven wheeled howitzer solution capable of firing all NATO-certified 155mm projectiles that has an effective range of over 24.8 miles or 40 kilometers with standard projectiles and offers extended range with rocket-assisted projectiles. The Atmos is designed for rapid deployment and operation, enabling provisions of fire support for a broad range of missions. The howitzer was developed by the Israeli company Elbit Systems. The artillery unit of the self-propelled howitzer system is a Soltam Athos 2052 howitzer. The declared firing range of conventional projectiles is 18.6 miles or 30 kilometers and 25.5 miles or 41 kilometers with rocket-assisted projectiles. The rate of fire is 49 shots per minute. The transportable ammunition is 32 shells. The self-propelled howitzer system is equipped with an onboard computer, missile initial velocity radar, and an inertial and satellite navigation system. This allows each howitzer to operate autonomously. The Baobab K. The Baobab K is a new automated mine-laying system developed by Polish defense company HSW and its partners. The system can be used to create scattered anti-tank barrier minefields of various sizes, densities, and self-destruction times. The Baobab K is a truck-mounted mine-laying system that can be controlled from a ground control station. Its design is based on a GELS 8x8 truck chassis, which features high mobility and payload capabilities. The vehicle can be equipped with 6 launchers or mine throwers, which can carry MN-123.1 and MN-123.2 programmable anti-tank mines manufactured by Belma. A crane can be used to load and unload the mine throwers on the ammunition vehicle. 5 anti-tank mines are loaded into a single mine cassette, while each launcher can be fitted with up to 20 cassettes to enable each vehicle to carry up to 600 mines. The system can be equipped with 8 81mm smoke grenade launchers. Designed to be operated by tactical-level engineering subunits of the armed forces, the mine-laying system can be deployed to destroy armored vehicles and other vehicles. Kisma. Bayraktar Kisma is a jet supersonic stealth UAV being developed by the Turkish defense company Baykar. The UAV has a maximum takeoff weight of about 6 tons, of which more than 3,300 pounds or 1.5 tons accounts for its payload. Equipped with one turbojet engine, the maximum speed of the drone is up to 500 miles per hour or 800 kilometers per hour. The maximum flight duration time is up to 5 hours. Earlier, Baykar has signed a contract with Ivchenko Progress, a leading Ukrainian producer of aircraft engines. The developers say that Kisma can land and take off on ships with short runways, for example, from the deck of a light aircraft carrier. According to Baykar, the drone will successfully overcome the most difficult tasks thanks to its low radar footprint and will be able to conduct air-to-air combat similar to manned combat aircraft with aggressive maneuvers. Theis. Theis, or Tracked Hybrid Modular Infantry System, is a multi-mission unmanned ground vehicle developed by Milrem Robotics, a robotics and autonomous systems developer based in Estonia with support from the Estonian Ministry of Defense. The Theis unmanned ground vehicle is based on a tracked chassis with 2 crawler tracks connected by a large central bay. Its compact size and modular design help reduce life cycle management costs and simplify maintenance operations. The UGV has a base curb weight of 1,870 pounds or 850 kilograms and can carry payloads of 1,650 pounds or 750 kilograms. The central bay is designed to incorporate different mission equipment, including cargo, towing equipment, unmanned aerial vehicles, and weapon systems as per the operational requirements. The Theis multi-purpose infantry system can be armed with weaponry such as anti-tank missiles, machine guns, and remote control weapon station to engage light armored vehicles. Theis Adder variant features Adder's RCWS featured by ST Kinetics. The Adder weapon station is compatible with weapons including a 7.62mm general-purpose machine gun, a 12.7mm machine gun, a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, and a CIS 50MG machine gun. Well, that's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the developments you like the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.